So let us solve problems on whatever we discussed. Concept 3. The very first problem in that, kx square plus 7xy minus 3y square plus 4x plus 7y plus 2 represents a pair of straight lines. Then k is equal to, represents a pair of straight lines, then the value of k. See here, first one, kx square plus 7xy minus 3y square plus 4x plus 7y plus 2 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. Then k is equal to, which represents a pair of straight lines. That means delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. So that can already said that which represents a pair of straight lines. That condition we can use, which becomes equal to 0. Depend on that we can find the value of k. Given line represents pair of straight lines. So delta equal to 0. Here a equal to k comma h is equal to, otherwise 2h is equal to 7 and b is equal to minus 3, 2g we need only g, so g is equal to 2 and f is equal to 7 by 2 and c is equal to 2. F equal to 7 by 2 and c is equal to 2. See, given equation represents pair of straight lines, delta is equal to 0. Substitute the values in delta is equal to 0. So what is delta here? ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. What is a, what is b, what is c here? A is equal to k and b is equal to minus 3 and ABC k and minus 3k and 2 which is equal to minus 6k implies. Clear? Next, 2fgh. 2f, here I taken 2h. 2h is equal to 7. F, what is f? Let us write the values. 2h 7 what is F here? 7 by 2. What is G here? 2. And minus AF square. A is KF square. 7 by 2 whole square minus BG square minus 3 into G square 2 whole square minus CH. What is CH square? H is equal to 7 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So minus 6k plus 49 minus 49k by 4 plus 12 minus 749 by 2 minus 49 by 2 equal to 0. So here 24 minus 24k minus plus 196 minus 49k plus 48 minus 98 equal to 0, right? So minus 24 minus 49 which is equal to 73 minus 73k and then which becomes minus 50 equal to plus 146 equal to 0 implies k is equal to 2. K equal to 2. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 2. Clear? Here, given equation represents a pair of straight lines, that's why I taken condition delta is equal to 0. Delta is nothing but ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Finally, I got the value of k. Now next one, the point of intersection of pair of lines represented by is point of intersection of pair of lines intersecting point is HF minus BZ by AB minus H square GH minus AF by AB minus H square. We can use that identity, otherwise we can solve like this also. Second one, the point of intersection of pair of lines represented by xy plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. See, we have a formula HF minus BZ by AB minus H square comma GH minus AF by AB minus H square. That we can use, otherwise here, see, take x common, y plus 1 plus 1 common, y plus 1. Y plus 1 as common, x plus 1. That implies y plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, intersecting point equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. Now see the third one. The distance between the parallel lines is distance between the parallel lines is 2 into square root of h square minus 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. Third one, the distance between the parallel lines, distance between parallel lines, nine x square minus 6xy plus y square plus 18xy minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. 8 is equal to 0, sir. Only one equation, line equation has given here. Then you are saying that find the distance between the parallel lines, means which represents, the given equation represents a pair of straight lines. We have a conditions, h square greater than ab, h square equal to ab, that x square greater than ab, those are parallel lines. So this represents a parallel lines. The distance between them we have to find, right? So here a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 2h is equal to minus 6, b is equal to 1 and z is equal to 9 and f is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 8. The distance between the parallel lines, distance between parallel lines, equal to 2 square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. Clear? So what is the value of g here? Z is 9, g square is equal to 81 minus ac, a is 9, c is 8, which is equal to 72 by a into 9 into a plus b, 9 plus 1, right? So 2 square root of 9 by 90, which is equal to 2 by root, which becomes 10, 2 by root 10, 2 by root 10. So therefore distance between parallel lines, therefore distance between parallel lines is 2 by root 10. Clear? Next, fourth one. Now fourth one, find the value of k. Intersection point as given here. Intersection point, we have to use that formula. What is that? hf minus bc by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. That formula we have to use here. Fourth one, intersection point given line equation. Given line equation is 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Then comma intersection point. Intersection point. What is the intersection point here? 1 comma k. Then k equal to question mark. So here a is equal to 2 and h is equal to 5 by 2, b equal to 3 and z equal to 3, f is equal to 7 by 2 and c is equal to 4. So intersection point but intersection point of S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is hf minus bz by ab minus h square gh minus af by ab minus h square. That implies hf minus bg. H, what is h here? 5 by 2, f 7 by 2 minus bz. G is 3. AB 2 into 3, so 6 minus h square 25 by 4 comma gh. Gh is 15 by 2. Gh shall write right. We'll follow the process. Gh, what is G here? 3. H is 5 by 2 minus AF 2 into 7 by 2 by same 6 minus 25 by 4 but which is equal to 1 comma k. Intersection point as given 1 comma k, that is. So here we have to take a second one. That second one is, that implies, let us solve and see what happens. 35 by 4 minus 9 by 24 minus 1 by 4, 24 minus 25 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and comma 15 by 2 minus 7 by minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 comma k, right? See, 35 minus 36 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which becomes 1, which is equal to 1 comma, and then 15 minus 14, which is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4, which becomes minus 1. Minus 1 equal to 1 comma k. Therefore, k equal to minus 1. Clear? K is equal to minus 1. Next one. The distance between the parallel lines is 0. Then find the value of here I and k. I value, k value we have to find here. Parallel lines, distance between the parallel lines. Then we have two conditions, h square is equal to ab and bg square is equal to af square. The two conditions we have to use here. Then we have to solve. That also will explain. Don't worry. Little bit complicated what that is. See now fifth one. Fifth one is find the distance between the parallel lines. Here 4x square plus 2ixy plus y square plus 6xy plus ky minus 10 is equal to 0. In that we have to find the distance between parallel lines. What is a so the distance between the parallel lines is 2 into square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b, or 2 into square root of f square minus bc by a into a plus b. So here a equal to 4 and h is equal to I and b is equal to 1, z is equal to 3 and f equal to k by 2, c is equal to minus 10. Distance between parallel lines, distance between parallel lines equal to 2 square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. So 2 square root of 9 minus ac plus 40 by a into 4 plus 1. So 2 square root of 49 by 20, which is equal to 2 into 7 by 2 root 5, which is equal to 7 by root 5. 7 by root 5 units. Therefore, distance between parallel lines, distance between parallel lines equal to 7 by root 5 units. Right? Next, sixth one, statement has given here x square minus y square plus ky equal to a square represents a pair of straight lines, then k is equal to plus or minus 2a, which represents a pair of straight lines abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. That is our second statement is correct. First statement is right or wrong. Let us verify that. Understand the fifth one? Now sixth one, which represents a pair of straight lines means which has to satisfy the condition delta is equal to 0 and h square greater than or equal to ab and g square greater than or equal to ac, f square greater than or equal to bc. Okay. Every condition it has to be satisfied, otherwise it does not represent pair of straight lines. Given equation is given equation here x square, this is sixth problem. Given equation is x square minus y square plus kxy, x square minus y square plus ky minus a square is equal to 0, then k is equal to plus or minus 2a or not, we have to verify that. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and h is equal to 0, g is equal to 0, f is equal to k by 2 and c is equal to a square. What is c here? A square. So which represents a pair of straight lines, that means delta is equal to 0. What is delta here? Then that implies delta is equal to 0. So what is delta? ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Right? So here what is A, what is B, what is C? So minus A square, 1 minus 1, so minus A square, 2FGH, 2FGH which becomes K and G is 0, H is also 0, so totally vanish, that term becomes 0. AF square, so minus K square by 4, BG square which is 0. Why? Because G is 0 here. And CH square, CH square which is also H becomes 0, then CH square also 0 equal to 0. So here A square minus K square by 4 equal to 0, that implies A square is equal to K square by 4, that implies K square is equal to 4A square, that implies K is equal to plus or minus 2A, whatever is given, that is correct. Next. See the totally the fourth Roman, S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents pair of straight lines h square greater than ab. Then the intersection point is hf minus bz by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Use that formula for 7th one and 8th one and 9th one. Do it as homework. Totally homework is 4th Roman full. In that 7 to 9 problems. 7 to 9 problems. This is homework. Use that formula and solve the problems whatever he given in that. Right? Next one. The next problem. It's a very interesting thing. Equation has given pair of straight lines if a equal to 0 and c equal to 0 like that. Something has given here. Let us see that. 10th one. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is a line equation which represents a pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines means delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0 means abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. So that implies delta is equal to 0. Why? Because which represents pair of straight lines. That implies abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. In that first thing, a equal to 0, what happens? If a is equal to 0, which becomes 2fgh, which is equal to 0. So is equal to bg square plus ch square. 2fgh is equal to bg square plus ch square. Right? Second thing, if b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, then this term totally vanished. 2fgh is equal to, this is first one, this is second one, then 2fgh is equal to, what happens here? B equal to 0. B equal to 0 means this is 0, then which becomes af square plus ch square. Clear? Now c equal to 0, third one. If c equal to 0, then 2fgh is equal to 2fgh is equal to af square plus bg square, af square plus bg square. Clear? Next, f equal to 0. Fourth one, if f equal to 0, f equal to 0, then abc, that implies abc equal to, f is equal to 0, this is vanished, this is also vanished. abc is equal to bg square plus ch square. Clear? That is about 10th problem. Very good. Now, so 11th one represents a pair of straight lines. Then find the value of k. That also you can do it as homework. So 11th one also work I am giving here. 11th problem also. The value of Find the value of k. X square, 4x square plus 2hxy plus y square plus 6x plus ky minus 10 represents a pair of straight lines. Then find the value of k. H square is equal to ab, you can use identity, otherwise delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0 is nothing but abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. Use that formula and solve the problem. 11th one. Next, 12th one, the value of k, the equation represent a pair of parallel lines is pair of parallel lines. Pair of parallel lines that will solve, which represents a pair of parallel lines. H square is equal to AB or BG square is equal to AF square. First one represents a pair of, 11th problem is represents a pair of parallel lines. 11th one also represents a pair of parallel lines. We can use 12th method for 11th one also. That is doesn't matter. Now 12th one, given equation is kx square minus 10xy plus 12xy plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0 represent a pair of parallel lines. Case here A is equal to k, comma H is equal to minus 5 minus 10xy minus 12xy. Wait a minute. See children, here he has given a wrong 12k y square. This is 12k y square, kx square minus 10xy plus 12k y square plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 is equal to 0. And then 11th problem also we have a mistake, that is in that 11th problem 4x square plus, I am writing here 11th problem, make it correct, 4x square plus 2ixy, this is ixy plus y square plus 6x plus ky minus 10 is equal to 0, right? This is 11th problem. Here we have to find the values of I and k. I and k are question mark, right? I and k. See, when the two lines are parallel, then h square is equal to ab and bg square is equal to af square. That conditions we have to use here. If lines are parallel, then h square is equal to ab and bg square is equal to af square, right? Here what is a? A is equal to 4. And what is B? H is, what about H here? A is equal to 4, H is equal to I, and B is equal to 1 and G is equal to 3, F equal to K by 2 and C is equal to minus 10. So first one, H square is equal to AB, I square is equal to AB means 4 and second one is BG square is equal to AF square. What is B here? 1. G square is equal to 9. I mean to say 3 square is equal to 9. And AF square. A is 4, F square is K square by 4, which becomes K square. So that implies I is equal to plus or minus 2, comma K is equal to plus or minus 3. I is equal to plus or minus 2 and K is equal to plus or minus 3. So next 12th one, here find the value of K. Now you can take 12th one as homework because 11th one I explained. Same process you can solve the 12th one, right? Now 13th and 14th. 13th and 14th are remaining. See children, 12th one process same as 11th one, right? Now 13th problem. 13th and 14th are very easy if you understand them. So intercept y-intercept, if your point lies on x-axis, y coordinate is equal to 0. I mean to say a comma 0 which lies on x-axis. If your point lies on y-axis, then x coordinate 0 which becomes 0 comma for suppose b. So 13th problem, the length of the intersect cut off by the pair of lines s is equal to 0 on the y-axis is. If the point lies on y-axis at the time x coordinate is 0. So x coordinate is 0, the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. We have a formula 2 square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. This is a formula for distance between parallel lines, or 2 square root of f square minus bc by a into a plus b. Here the point is on y-axis. So if the point lies on y-axis, x coordinate becomes 0. X coordinate becomes 0 means 2gx is equal to 0. G becomes 0. Then x also 0. So totally which becomes 0. So don't take that. And we have to use second one. So y coordinates are there now, that's why 2fy and by square. So 2 into square root of f square minus bc by a into a plus b. Here also a into a plus b is, which becomes here the distance between which intersects a pair of lines is not a here b into b plus c, that is b into b plus c, not g, b into a plus b. B f square, not a. So the y coordinate is there but x coordinate is not there, then which becomes, this becomes 2 square root of f square minus bc by a is 0 here, so as b into b equal to b square, other b square. So 2 square root of f square minus bc by modulus of b only. Why? Because square root 2. The square root of b square is b. So we have to take the positive value. That is the answer for 13th one. Now 14th one. Length of the intersect cut by a pair of lines on y-axis is length of the intersect cut by. The length is equal, therefore length of the intersect equal to. Understand? I am explaining again. See, here the point is on y-axis. When a point is on y-axis, at that time x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0 means 2gx, g vanished, and ax square, a also vanished. So which is useless. We have to take second one. Now 2 root square root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. B into a plus b, here a becomes 0. A becomes 0 means square root of f square minus bc by square root of b square. So which means 2 into square root of f square minus bc by square root of b square is equal to b, no? So 2 into square root of f square minus bc by modulus of b. Now followed by 14th one. The length of the intercept on the x-axis cut by pair of lines is root 7. The length of the intercept cut by x-axis. See, if the point is on x-axis, at that time y coordinate becomes 0. Y coordinate becomes 0. Length of the distance between the parallel lines, 2 square root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. Here the point is on x-axis. When the point is on x-axis, at that time y coordinate becomes 0. Y coordinate becomes 0 means b becomes 0. So when the b becomes 0, then that is equal to if point on x-axis, then its form is a comma 0. That implies 2 square root of g square minus ac by b becomes 0. A into a square, square root of a square is equal to a. So modulus of a. For 14th one, this is correct. This is 13th problem, right? And he has a given equation also for that. What is that? The length of the intercept on the x-axis cut by the pair of lines. So this value has given there. That we have to use this formula and to solve the problem 14. So given equation GE is, what is given equation? 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 1 is equal to 0. In that, length of the intercept on x-axis, length of the intercept on x-axis is 2 square root of g square minus ac by modulus of a. So what is a here? Here a is equal to 2 comma and G is equal to 3 comma and A is and C is equal to 1. Let us substitute the values here, which is equal to 2 square root of 9 minus AC. What is A here? A is 2 and C is 1. 2 by modulus of A, modulus of 2, which becomes 2 root 7 by 2, which is equal to root 7. Whatever he said, that is correct. Therefore, length of the intercept on x-axis is, therefore, length of the intercept on x-axis is root 7. So, worksheet number 3 completed. Right? We'll discuss worksheet number 4.